Alright, this is insane. Nobody should be shopping that much. I'm doing it because it's part of what I do. So, telling myself not to feel guilty. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you're doing well. I, for one, have a very big haul for you. If you haven't been following me, I did this long video on how to shop at Zara to maximize savings, and I will link that right here on the top so you guys can check it out. But today we're diving right into the Zara sale haul, and I'm going to show you exactly what I purchased. While a lot of items caught my attention, I think this was one of the best sales they've had because there were so many basics that were still available in stock. Not only am I going to share what I bought, I'm also going to show you how I'm going to style it. So without a lengthy intro, let's get right into it. Okay, first up is this dress that I'm wearing. It's leopard print, which is beautiful. Let's see how I styled it. Next up, I'm going to show you what shirts I bought. I picked up a classic silk blouse which every woman should have in their closet. Next is a skirt that I picked up. It is a pair of shorts underneath and it has pleats and pockets on the side. Next I bought this beautiful satin blouse in a chain print which looks beautiful and such a universal print. You can wear it for both casual as well as formal occasions, so I thought it was a great option. I bought this very interesting detailed top. It actually is cotton poplin, but it has a little bit of spandex, so it stretches. It has a very fun detail on the back, and that's what makes it so special. And the color, I thought it was a very flattering color for me, and who doesn't love that? Next is a simple classic poplin shirt. You might have seen me wear this, but I have a small size. This time I picked up a medium because I also like how my style is evolving and I love wearing oversized pieces, so this one was quite a find. Next is another pair of shorts which I thought looked absolutely fantastic. You guys have seen me wear this, but I by mistake picked it up. And I thought I'm going to share with you exactly how I styled it irrespective because it's still available. You must give it a thought. And if you don't have a pair of cream shorts in your closet, you might want to reconsider. You can never go wrong with a classic white shirt. I have this style, but I love this masculine shirt so much. I thought I'll pick it up in sale as well and keep it for myself. Next I picked up this beautiful satin finish skirt. It's a long line skirt and I have a swimsuit in the same color, the blue color. And I thought it'll make for a very good wrap, a swimwear wrap where I wear the swimsuit on the top and I'll tie the skirt on the bottom. But I also wanted to show you the versatility of the skirt. So I styled it with this white shirt for office. Let me show you how. bought this very interesting top. It's a cropped shirt with its buttons going on diagonal sides and a knot detail, and I'll show you exactly how I styled it. If you've been watching my content for a very long time, you know that I have these dark washed denim paper bag waist shorts, which I absolutely love and adore, and I wear them all the time. I found a similar style in a light wash with a different style of detailing as far as buttons is concerned. That one has a zip closure, this one has a button closure, but I love how comfortable the paper bag waist with the elastic waistline is, and I had to have it in my closet. Next up are these carrot hem trousers, which were doing the rounds for a while, and I wasn't really sure if I wanted to invest in that style or not, but I gave it a try, and honestly I'm quite surprised how they look on me, and I think they look quite nice. T-shirt in cream, but I didn't have it in black, and this was a great way of adding another t-shirt. I picked up a size large because I know how fitted these can be. So here it is. It's a knitted fabric which is very, very luxurious when you wear it. Looks very premium, and I got it at a steal. Next up is this style of trouser, which I think I have it in all the colors. I didn't have a red, so I managed to grab one at almost 40% discount, which is quite a deal. It comes with a belt, which is always a good idea, and let's see how I styled it. Next is a knitwear piece. I picked up a sleeveless knitwear top in horizontal stripes. I don't like to wear horizontal stripes below my waist because it makes me look wider, but I love an hourglass figure, and if it can make me look wide on the top with big bust, I'd like that. And this actually looks quite nice. Let me show you how I style it. Every girl needs a white t-shirt. While I have quite a few white t-shirts, I didn't have a cropped white t-shirt. So I thought I'll pick up one which costed me nothing actually. It was at quite a discount, and let me show you how we styled it. Next up is this beautiful top that I bought. I had picked up something similar when Zara was not on sale in red, and it did not flatter me at all. But the skin color, taupe color, whatever you want to call it, beige top, it looks so good. And I saw it on the model, I knew exactly how I'm going to style it, and let me show you how. Next up is a very summery, easy breezy dress that I picked up in this Paisley floral print. It has these thin straps which are super flattering. I picked it up in a size medium, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It's almost like it defines summer for me. when it comes to those dramatic pieces that you wear once and you don't really find occasions to wear it and repeat it over and over again, these are pieces that are standout pieces. You should always have some of these in your closet because you never know what occasion calls for it. But you should always seek such options during sale period, and that's exactly what I do. I always try and find a deal when it comes to these clothes where I'm not wearing them on a daily basis. Just look at this gorgeous cape. It's a cape style top, which, because you should always have a slip in black, white and beige in your closet, and I had a black slip and I just wore it as a dress. It looks fantastic, and you can always tell me whether you liked it or not. The tassel details are everything. I love tassel details. You've seen quite a few pieces in my closet which have tassel details. This one's definitely a birthday or a cocktail night piece. You can even wear it with trousers, black trousers. In fact, you can wear it with, say, a bralette, a silk camisole underneath, a pair of trousers, and this on the top. It's gold. So that's it for clothes, but the party's not over yet. I picked up a few accessories that I wanted to show you guys, so stay with me. So the first pair that I wanted to talk about are these super comfortable, almost 2-inch heel, which have these elastic straps. They look good, they feel good. Since I didn't have this color, I thought it's worth investing in one. I picked up another pair of shoe, and these heels reminded me of the heels at Ferragamo. Ferragamo's done something similar, and they look so cool. They are very on point. My shoe size is a 37. It's so difficult to find shoes in my size. It's the first size that sells out, and when I found these, I had to have them. Next up, I bought these 2 bags in gold and silver because I wasn't sure which one I wanted to keep, and I picked up both of them. So I have many gold bags, but I didn't have a silver bag, like an all-out silver bag. And when it comes to Zara, I only buy fabric bags, and these 2 just caught my attention, and they look absolutely gorgeous. It can be worn both as a wristlet, you can just like wrap your chain around your hand, or as a crossbody, which is fabulous. You don't want to be in a situation where you buy a bag which makes you feel very restrictive. I always buy bags with a little chain, and these 2 babies definitely made it to the list. Last but by no means least is this beautiful bag. It's a top handle bag which doesn't really go on the shoulder. It's too small for a shoulder, but the beauty of this bag is that it comes with a long chain which can be worn as a crossbody, and I'm gonna share exactly how. It's soft, it's squishy. It's one of those guilty purchases which I know they're going to get spoiled in a few years. Even if I don't use this bag, it'll definitely start peeling in a few years, but I thought just for those few years, let me have fun. Alright, so that was it. If you guys enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of me. I'm really having a lot of fun doing this, and I didn't realize how much happiness content creation is going to give me till I actually started reading your comments. You guys are so amazing and so kind, super sweet. You guys have been motivating me through your comments and making me feel like $1,000,000, and that was the whole point of creating this channel. I hope you enjoyed this. The H&M haul is coming very soon, so stay tuned. I will link all the items that I've purchased, if they are still available, in the description box below. And I'm going to see you very soon. Until then, keep it stylish.